Mr. Binyan 2025 Joseph Magsino
Yes
Jr.
po, yes po. Thank you so much.
Congratulations,
Yes po,
Joseph.
thank
Did
you
you
so much.
expect this, everything?
There is a lot of expectation, but I need to believe in myself, believe in God, and everything will be possible. Thank you so much.
You also won most photogenic, best in swimwear. Did you expect this?
I can believe, but I do all my best to win and to get all the awards. Thank you so much.
Sino ang gusto mong pasalamatan?
Especially, I would like to thank God for this opportunity, for this competition, and I would like to thank my family, my friends, my supporters, my SK counselor, my designer, my handler, and so on. Thank you so much. Hindi ko na po kayo may isa. Salamat.
Ano naging challenges mo sa competition na to?
Actually, there is a lot of challenges na napagdaanan ko, but I firmly believe na yung challenges ko is time management, because as a student, as an SK counselor, and as a candidate of this competition, nagmumultitask ako, but I overcome all of this by doing time management. Thank you.
You're still a student. What are you taking up?
Currently, I am a criminology student in University of Perpetual Health System Laguna, and yeah, that's
Yes,
it.
so yung nakita ko criminology
Yeah, yes,
uniform
yes.
during your video.
Yes po, I am a criminology student. So,
Okay, Joseph, what are you most passionate about?
there's a lot of things that I love to do, but specifically, I love to serve my fellow Filipino people, which I am doing right now with the use of pageantry, with the use of SK counselor, and with the use of as a criminology student. That's all.
You won best in swimwear. How
Oh my
many times do you work out in a week?
I actually, before I joined in this competition, I work out because in order for me to be physically fit. That's all.
Joseph, napakahirap ng question ng final Q&A ninyo. How were you able to answer that?
I actually answered the Q&A part of the question by focusing on the last question and knowing my advocacy or what I am advocating for, and that's all.
Okay, complete the sentence. I am Joseph Magsino Jr. and
I am Joseph Magsino Jr. and I am so grateful right now because I achieved my dreams in life, and that's be your Mr. Binyan 2025. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Joseph, and congratulations.
Thank you so much,
Thank
everybody.
you. Hi guys, we have here Miss Binyan 2025, Althea Harina.
Good evening po.
Congratulations, Althea.
Thank you so much po.
Sinong unang gusto mong pasalamatan?
Of course, I wanted to thank my family because they've been here throughout my whole journey, and of course my handler, my passerella trainer, my Q&A trainer po, and of course God. I prayed po talaga for this crown.
Anong mga naging challenges mo sa competition na ito?
Well, if you don't, I'm also an IND4 scholar ng Binyan, and at the same time, I'm a third year nursing student po, and I wouldn't say that it's a challenge because it became also easy for me to balance my study and also my passion at the same time.
Napakahirap ng final Q&A ninyo, no? How were you able to answer that?
Well, I just prayed and prayed and prayed and trained and trained and trained.
Okay, complete the sentence. I am Althea Harina and
I am Althea Harina, and I'll see you in Anilag.
You're ready for Anilag!
It's my dream po.
Yes, congratulations, Althea. So, ano ba to? Parang pressure ba to give a back-to-back win for Binibining Laguna? Back-to-back, kailangan ba? Pressure ba to sa'yo?
Well, I don't see it as a pressure. I see it as an inspiration po. Para I could also bring home a crown for our city.